Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Journey to Happy Life. Today I'm going to talk about Malabar spinach. So I have a couple of Malabar spinach here in our garden, and I get the seeds from eBay, and I am really very happy because as you can see, this Malabar spinach grows so well, and it has a very big leaves. This is actually a semi-succulent plant, and most of the Malabar spinach seeds that I planted actually grow. See? So I put that one here in this stand because my dog Casey, she loves to eat plants. So at least this one she can hardly reach, and when this one vine is just gonna go down here. And this one here, guys, it has flowers right here. That's that little flowers. And I'm thinking of harvesting the leaves, some of the leaves, especially the one at the bottom, and put it in my soup. You can eat it raw, but I don't like to eat the leaves raw because it's like slimy, and I don't like slimy food except for carrots. I mean except for okra, not carrots. Okra is like slimy, but I like it. Also more of this Malabar spinach. I transplanted this one. Actually, this one is from the same pot that I've shown you. This one just kind of grows slow, maybe because I transplanted this one. And look at that one. This is the Malabar spinach that has like a purple stem, the main branch right here. It has a purple color because Malabar spinach also come with a green like stem. I also have a Malabar spinach in this hanging planter, because as you know, this Malabar spinach, the vine, so I'm hoping that they grow it here. And then I like the color of the main stem or branch. They are purplish, and you can see they are big. This one also I transplanted this one. This one, guys, this Malabar spinach here, I transplanted it maybe 3 days ago. There's 3 in here, but unfortunately that one right there, I think an animal ate that spinach. So these two still growing well. So guys, I hope you like this short tour of my Malabar spinach. So you can grow it. I live here in Los Angeles, California, so you can actually grow this one, and I'm very happy, and I cannot wait to harvest this Malabar spinach. Okay guys, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button as well, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye bye.